Hello everyone, I'm going to show you here how to use the teleport buttons that are easy to set up, and you can use these for instance to teleport from one floor to another one in the building. I'm just going to show you how to use them. Simply, well, for instance, let's place two buttons to go from the green to the yellow floor. All you have to do, for instance, is take this oak button that points up, res it here, and then one floor up you use an oak button that points down, like there. You have to move it a little bit, of course, if you want to place it against a wall or so, but in principle it's already set up just by resing them. So you click on them, you get transported up, as you can see. Click on them again, you get transported down, up and down. Now, of course, you want to go another floor up. You could, for instance, pick another color. You could just use the same oak for the next floor. But let's take this aluminium with red one, for instance. Here, this has a nice look. There's also textures included. You can even make your own colors and textures on them. To the red floor. So there you would want a down button, aluminium and red. You could use a different one too, of course, but it's just nice to know to compare them texture-wise. Otherwise, it'd be a little confusing. But other textures work too. So this is to go up. I'm up here. To go down. To go up. Down. One more down. As you can see, the buttons do not interfere with each other. It's each their own. Just to show, I can make another oak button here. This points up. Let's make another oak button there just to show that texture doesn't really matter either. There's the down. Here we go. Up, down. That one. The other oak button brings you completely down, as you can see. So that's really it. That's how you set up these things. You just res and go. I want to make one thing clear though, and that is when you remove one of the pairs, for instance this one, the other one does not know anymore where to take you. So if you click on it, you'll end up somewhere completely different, actually at the 0 point of the sim. So always be careful to be aware what you're doing. If you delete one, the other one does not work anymore. Now you might want to repair this if you accidentally res a button. I'll have to warn you that adding a new button, a down button, does not work. See, these two are not paired. If you want to repair this, you actually have to res from start on a new pair. So a new oak button up and a new oak button down. This is just the way it's programmed. It's not too much trouble. It's still a quick setup. So if you accidentally delete one, you have to be aware what the destination or what the pairing button is and delete that one too and set up a new one. That's the only caveat, but for the rest, it's all pretty darn simple. Okay, thank you for your attention and have fun with these buttons.